How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. So whenever you receive a call, a video call or audio call, you don't get its sound. So there are a few reasons why this might happen. So I'll teach you guys how you can fix this. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Messenger and tap on the settings. After you tap on settings, make sure that all of your settings is good. Go to your privacy settings. You can check if the notifications and sounds are on, and here you might want to check if the text tone and your sound is turned on. So if everything's good here, you might want to go to your phone setting. So after you open your phone setting, just go to the notifications, and here you might want to make sure that your messenger is not notification mode. So just search messenger, and here you need to make sure that you tapped on allow notification, and after you do so, you need to make sure that all of this is turned on. Now go to messenger notification settings again, and here you might want to check all of these again. And the other thing I want you to check is your person's notification. Make sure that you have not muted them. So if I mute this, I won't be receiving any calls. So just go ahead and check all of those and make sure that your messenger has a notification turned on, and that will basically fix your problem. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, go down below and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. That's all.